Hello, to begin, I would like to welcome you to my workshop. I spend a lot of time out here. There are a number of reasons why. It is here where I make all my projects before I enter the classroom to make it with the students. The first reason behind doing this is because it assists me with a plan and time scale for each project. The second reason is crucially important. By making projects before the students do so, I feel I can investigate the mind of the students and also analyse any problems they might encounter while making the projects. Another reason why my workshop is so important to me is because I can build each project step by step, videoing and taking photos, which in turn will provide me with information required to create PowerPoints, loop videos and much more for the classroom. Also, it allows me to think of keywords related to each project, which is essential for literacy development. Also, working out scales and measurements will also develop numeracy skills. All of the above reasons I have referred to incorporate more higher order thinking, which enhances student skills. Students can use Bloom's taxonomy for thinking model, which will also engage them more. Furthermore, the reasons I spoke about will in turn help students extract necessary information they need if they become stuck with a particular part of a project. This will also help me as a teacher to navigate more around the room, providing assistance to students who are at different levels. I can use Vygotsky's method of scaffolding more also throughout my classes. My workshop allows me to create a high quality project which I can bring to the classroom, which will promote intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, which I feel is essential for student development. Intrinsic relates to students wanting to design and build projects for themselves, which links to self-achievement and self-accomplishment. To conclude, I believe the work I carry out here in my workshop gives me the edge I need going into the classroom, where the needs of the child are number one. Reflecting on my own 3Ps motto, which is planning and preparation equals performance. I am Joseph Keane. Thank you for visiting my workshop. Hello and welcome to my workshop. It is here where I spend time developing one of my many interests and hobbies, which is the love of hurley making. Hurley making involves many steps which I will take you through. Step number one is selecting the plank and selecting the appropriate grain. As we can see here, the grain I have selected on the plank is very good. Step two involves marking out the hurley you want onto the plank that you have selected using the template. Step 3 involves putting on my personal protective equipment, which is essential when using the bandsaw to cut the plank. Step 4 involves cutting out the plank using the bandsaw carefully.